అవును. నీ డౌన్‌లోడ్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి నీ దాంట్లో మంచిగా ఏం కాదు.
Good morning, students. Am I audible to everyone? And my voice is clear to everyone. Am I audible to everyone, students? So, doctors, I think we have shared this file yesterday in your WhatsApp group, official WhatsApp group. So, have you received everyone? So, today I'm gonna discussion with you that particular aromatic and other important IUPAC names of organic compounds. Correct, everyone. So today I'm discussing only this part one, and after that I think we have only like minor topic we have left like spiro compounds, non-Bornholm system. So we will discuss after that, and then the IUPAC nomenclature is almost over. Correct. Then we will move towards the structural isomers, and we can also do the POC. uh, Correct. So now I'm starting with the guys, today I think you need not to write anything. You have already written, but still, if you may have some right kind of note, so you can write parallelly. I'm not given you a sufficient time for the writing because I have already shared with you that particular PDF. Okay, and today you need to write this PDF by firstly you learn and then you may write. That is the first task in front of you. What is the task today? The task is very simple. First, you go through the PDF on a self-study table. Okay, on a self-study table, you can just go through it once time. You can go through it one time, and then after that, if you remember all these things, then after that you may write in your fair notebook. Correct? During class notes. Class notes को continue कर लेंगे फिर आप. Correct. So now I'm starting with this part. Correct. I'm taking your doubts in the end of the class. Okay. So students, look at it here. So we have already explained this group are called as the phenyl group. This group are called as the phenyl group, you can say. But this bond define that ki there is a some group present here. Maybe G group, you can say. Correct, everyone? So this group is called phenyl. And beta, if we have this group, CH2 and benzene ring, so then we called benzyl group. And if there is a difference between benzyl and benzo. Benzyl only CH2 group and there is a some G group. Here we have 2G group, you can say. So this particular one is particular substituent, or you can say maybe group, you can say that group is called benzyl beta, and this is the benzo. This is the benzo, you can say. Sir, is there any trick or is there any concept? So guys, you need to remember directly. There will be no any kind of trick. Correct. Now, if I'm talking about some more, guys, I'm providing you more than sufficient this nomenclature. And guys, this is a part of your sheet. Most probably this everything present in your sheet also. You can check. This is a cut copy paste from the resonance sheet and that will be sufficient for you. Correct, students. That is for the JB sheet. I think this same thing present in your MB sheet also. If it is not present, now you have a PDF also. So guys, what about the this particular one? We called tolyle, or you can say orthotolyle. Now you understand why we called ortho. Now we called meta. Here we called para. So beta 1, 2. We give the numbering like 2 tolyle, 3 tolyle, 4 tolyle. Correct. This position is called alpha position. I'm giving you one important knowledge. आपको एक knowledge दे देता हूँ. Correct, students. एक मिनट रुको. So guys, be remember, I'm writing down the alpha position. There are four alpha position here. Alpha, this is also alpha. We called alpha. We called alpha. Be remember, here you mentioning only one. Be remember, these four position are alpha positions, and this is the beta, beta, and beta position. So we have only two position, alpha and beta, in the naphthalene. This is a naphthalene molecule, my dear. Correct, everyone? So this is also alpha, this is also alpha, this is also alpha. What about beta, beta? So beta now, this is the beta, this is also beta, beta, and beta, this is also beta, you can say. Correct, and their group is called alpha naphthyl, beta naphthyl. You must remember this aryl group, aryl group. Now guys, we need to go directly the aromatic compounds. अपन directly पढ़ेंगे हम. So aromatic compounds first आता है this one. So beta this is a methyl benzene. तो IUPAC name क्या है बेटा? Methyl benzene. और their common name is also act as IUPAC name. Correct everyone? So methyl benzene and beta toluene you can say. Their common name is toluene, and it will be like you can realize in future that it will be more popular in the name of toluene. Toluene. Toluene भी बोल सकते हैं. Toluene. Correct. Now we have the second one, that is xylene. Xylene. So we have ortho meta para dimethyl benzene. So guys, this is a IUPAC name. This is a IUPAC name, and this is a common name. We are continuing here. Correct, common name. Correct, everyone. So it's a xylene. You must remember directly, guys. I'm not saying कि sir is there any trick concept, nothing like that. आपको याद रखना है. But हाँ, you must remember about ortho meta para positions. So like this is the ortho one, this is the meta with respect to each other. This is para. So this is the xylene molecule, and we have a toluene. Now beta xylene के बाद आता है mesitylene. Their common name is also important. And what about the name, students? So name you may write either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 1, 3, 5 trimethyl benzene. That is already given in the question, in the PDF. Now beta isopropyl benzene. What is isopropyl group here? अगर आपको कुछ याद है तो सर isopropyl group होता था ये. Wait. देखो बेटा, we have isopropyl this one. So this is what beta isopropyl group. So isopropyl connecting with the benzene. So we called isopropyl benzene, and their name is what beta cumene. Cumene. I remember I used this cumene as a reactant during my MSc time. अपन ने cumene से बहुत काम किया है. Now we are moving towards the styrene molecule. Styrene, I think you understand. It's a ethylene. It's a ethynyl benzene. Or sometimes we call phenyl. It's not ethane, it's a ethene आएगा. Ethene. It's a E part beta. Phenyl ethene. Right, so you must remember this one. Correct, everyone. So this is the important one. Now beta naphthalene. Now we are talking about naphthalene. So this is a naphthalene molecule. The common name IUPAC is same. It's an anthracene, 3-membered ring. It's a phenanthrene. Guys, you must remember their structures. In any case, you must remember their structure. This is the pyrene. Correct. The important one is this one. Isopropyl benzene, cumene, and beta styrene molecule. Styrene molecule is also important in polymer chapter. Polymer chapter, 12th class, chapter number 15. Okay, and I think in your according to your class course planner, it's a second chapter. Correct, everyone. So you must remember these all names. Now we are moving towards the aromatic alcohol. So beta, it's a carbolic acid. My dear students, one time in JEE mains, they will provide you a carbolic acid. They are saying carbolic acid react with XYZ kind of thing reaction. So everybody shocked that what do you mean by carbolic acid? So my dear students, carbolic acid is what beta? Carbolic acid is what beta? Carbolic acid, that is given in the question. Why I'm writing here? Carbolic acid is benzene containing OH group and we called phenol. So their common name is also so much important, students. Now we have, with respect to OH group, methyl group is there. So it's a ortho. It's a orthocresol. It's a orthocresol. It's a metacresol. It's a paracresol. Correct, students? And we called methyl phenol. Students be remember functional group ये OH ही है तो 1 2 आएगा हमेशा 1 2 3 अरे बेटा OH को priority we give the priority to OH firstly. Correct, students? Now we are moving towards 2 OH group 1 and 2. So this is called catechol. So guys, we have a cresol, then we have a catechol, and beta if we have ortho की जगह meta पे आ जाए तो we called resorcinol and hydroquinone. These three are important. Sometimes they put some kind of like catechol, you are getting confused. Cresol is a different class. Sometimes we remember their name, methyl phenol. Cresol is what? Methyl phenol. Methyl phenol. What is phenol? Benzene ring containing OH group. So बेटा ये catechol है. Catechol means ortho position पर OH है. तो benzene 1,2 diol. It's a benzene 1,3 diol. How it is 1,3? I think now you are aware. 1 2 3. Correct, everyone. So catechol, resorcinol, hydroquinone, CRH. ये तो ऑर्थो पर, ये मेटा पर और ये पैरा पर. Correct, everyone. Ortho, meta, and para. We have catechol, resorcinol, and hydroquinone. We called quinol also. Quinol also. Generally, अपन hydroquinone के नाम से जानते हैं. Hydroquinone. So it's a 1 2 3 4. So benzene 1,4 diol. Now, beta, it's a naphthalene and it's an alpha position. So alpha naphthol. It's a beta naphthol. Naphthalene 1 on. So it's a 1 position. It's a 1 with respect to this. Guys, look at it. The position are fixed 1 2. Correct. We can't follow this IUPAC rule kind of the OH group having the functional group. No. I'm writing naphthalene 1 on, naphthalene 2 on. Correct. CRH, you must remember catechol, resorcinol, and hydroquinone. Correct, everyone. Now we are moving towards the aromatic aldehydes. Now we are moving towards aromatic aldehydes. Guys, most important one is benzaldehydes. Benzene carbonaldehyde, we call benzaldehyde also. Benzaldehyde. We called benzaldehyde also, doctors. And guys, what will be the beautiful name? That his name is oil of bitter almond. Oh my God, very fabulous name. Oil of bitter almond. Guys, we remember it's a oil of bitter almond. In future, we will get oil of wintergreen also. So what will be the oil of wintergreen? What will be the oil of mirbane also there? Yes, oil of mirbane is also there, and we have oil of wintergreen. Right now we don't have. We have this one. We have oil of wintergreen also there. I will look at on that part. So oil of winter bitter almond is what beta benzaldehyde या फिर benzene carbonaldehyde. Why use carbonaldehyde beta? I think you know very well, sir. It's not a part of parent chain. Now it's a salicylaldehyde. So 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. It's a phthalate. You can say phthalate. P is silent here. So phthalate is what beta benzene 1,2 dicarbonaldehyde. Important is this one. Important is this one. Correct, everyone. So now the third one. Now guys, obviously you know very well this is a parent chain. Correct. So we have alpha and beta. Sometimes we call it beta phenyl. We may write 2-phenyl also. That is also correct. So you may write 1 2 3. Sorry, 3-phenyl propanol. That is also correct, student. That is the IUPAC name. What will be the common name? Common name with respect to alpha and beta. We are getting beta phenyl propione aldehyde. Important is 17 and 18. Correct, everyone. Now we are moving towards the next one. Acetophenone. Acetophenone is COCH3 and we have benzene. Correct. Why we called on here? Because ketone group is there. देखो benzophenone. So benzo and we are saying phenone. Or sometimes we call diphenyl ketone or benzophenone. Guys, when you learn 2 3 times 4 times 5 times, then you are able to remember these things. Otherwise you will forget every time. We remember it's a organic chemistry, and when you write at least 3 4 times, then you are able to learn the things. If you are thinking I'm getting within the within the first time I'm getting everything is crystal clear, it's not possible. Now guys, we have COCH2Cl. So it's a phenyl acyl chloride, or sometimes we called chloroacetophenone. So chloro act as a substituent here. Correct. This is not so important. Important is 21 and 22. Now we are moving towards the next one, 24, that is benzoic acid. So benzoic acid is very important. Sometimes we call benzene carboxylic acid, and this is the formula, my dear. Correct, everyone. We have orthotoluic acid. What is toluene, beta? Benzene containing CH3 group. Now we have CH also. So we are not calling toluene. We call toluic. We call toluic acid. We give the name also. So the name is what, beta? What will be the name? What will be the name, students? The name is 1 and 2. So 2-methyl benzene carboxylic acid. 2-methyl benzene carboxylic acid. Correct. This 26 is very important, students. Sometimes they use cinnamic acid. What is cinnamic acid? This is the formula of cinnamic acid. Correct. So 1, 2, 3. So 3-phenyl. What may write? 3-phenyl. Then beta prop 2-enoic acid. So we are following the simple thing, students. It's not a new thing according to you have already done the functional group table. So I think that will be very clear. But you must remember their IUPAC name so that you are able to remember the structure. So it's a 3-phenyl prop 2-enoic acid. 3-phenyl prop 2-en prop 3 prop 2-enoic acid. So 3 per phenyl group होगा बेटा. Correct. Now the most important one is this 27 one. बेटा aspirin का formula देख लो. So what will be the aspirin formula? I'm writing like acetyl salicylic acid. Aspirin का क्या formula होगा बेटा? 2-ethanol oxy. 2-ethanol oxy. What I'm writing? देखो बेटा 1 and 2. So ये इस कंपाउंड को क्या बोलते हैं अपन? इसको बोलते हैं बेटा 1 2 कार्बन मतलब इथेनॉयल ऑक्सी. So we called 2-ethanol oxy. I'm really sorry. 2-ethanol oxy benzene carboxylic acid. Most important. Most important. I'm given the stars. Correct, students. Similarly, you remember we have CRH, catechol, resorcinol, hydroquinone. Similarly, we have thallic acid, terethallic acid. ठीक है, थैलिक एसिड. ये तो ऑर्थो है, देखो इसमें पैरा का दिया नहीं हुआ है. गाइज इफ वी हैव दिस वन, ये भी लिख लो यार. थैलिक एसिड, थैलिक एसिड. अच्छा, थैलिक एसिड, ये इसको क्या बोलेंगे अपन? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द नेम? ये स्टूडेंट्स, ये थैलिक एसिड है, ये टेरिथैलिक एसिड है. तो बेटा ये क्या होगा? कैन एनीबॉडी हैव सम क्लू? It's the same kind of word. It's the same kind of word. It's the same kind of word, students. So benzene, it's a one. Obviously, IUPAC name is very correct, students. Sir, 1, 1, 2, 3. So it's a benzene 1,3,1,3 dicarboxylic acid, and we called isopathalic acid. We called isopathalic acid. We called isopathalic phthalic acid. Although it's not so important, important is phthalic acid and terephthalic acid. That is so much important. So you must remember this phthalic acid and terephthalic acid. So like aspirin, what is aspirin guys? 2-ethanol oxy benzene carboxylic acid. Now what is salicylic acid students? Salicylic acid is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. It's a 2-hydroxy. You may write benzoic also. अरे बेटा, you may write 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Both are correct. It's not, it's a wrong. It's also a correct. Sorry, Abhay, I don't give any kind of permission. Now we will move towards the 30th one. Salicylic acid. Focus on your class, yaar. Just forget it. Now, guys, we have this particular 31 compound. This 31 compound is called anisole. That is called methoxybenzene. Okay, penitol. That is ethoxybenzene. Anisole, penitol. Then beta diphenyl ether. It's a phenoxybenzene. Oil of mirbene. That is called nitrobenzene. That is called nitrobenzene. So, guys, we have already done what? Oil of bitter almond. Oil of bitter almond. Now this is oil of mirbene. ये क्या है बेटा? Oil of mirbene है. Correct everyone? अरे बोलो यार. Correct. अब अपन के पास एक स्ट्रक्चर और है, मैं आपको अभी यहीं पर ही लिखवा देता हूँ. It's better for you. So you may write one more structure. I don't know whether it will not present. So we are getting benzene ring. Benzene ring से connected है CO, O, CH3. Beta we have OH group. So this is what beta? Oil of wintergreen. Oil of wintergreen. Please write down everyone. सर इसका नाम क्या है? What will be the name here? So बेटा its name is, देखो इसका name क्या होगा? It's a methyl, and this word is salicylate. I'm writing salicylic acid का derivative है ना ये. So I'm writing methyl salicylate. Salicylate. What is salicylic acid? So when we have COO and instead of CH3 we are getting H. So now I replace the H with the CH3 group. That's why we write methyl salicylate. Methyl salicylate. That is the oil of wintergreen. Oil of mirbene is what beta? Mirbene, nitrobenzene. Oil of bitter almond beta? Benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Correct everyone? Correct everyone? I hope you understand. Now I will move towards the next one. Like it's a 1, 2, 3. So it's a 1,3-dinitrobenzene. Guys, this picric acid is important. What is picric acid? So I'm given the numbering. Sir, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are getting 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. कई बार अपन इसको TNT भी बोलते हैं. Trinitrophenol को TNT. No, it's not TNT. TNT is a different thing. Yes, sorry. Picric acid is what? 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Correct everyone? This is the TNT. Yes. So it's a trinitrotoluene. And guys, it's a very explosive substance. This is used in the bomb बनाने में यूज किया जाता है इसका. ठीक है बेटा? So 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene, TNT. That is TNT, not this one. You must remember. Now guys, aniline. Their name is aniline. Aniline means benzene amine. So benzamine. Or the IUPAC name is aniline. Common name is also aniline. Now CH3 with respect to NH3. NH2 group के respect में we have CH3 group. So we called ortho meta para toluidine. Ortho, meta, para, toluidine. Sometimes we called methyl aniline. Sometimes we called methyl aniline. Sometimes we called methyl aniline. Sir, it's a ortho position, yes beta. It's a meta, yes sir. It's a para, yes beta. So you must remember it's a toluidine. Toluic क्या था बेटा? Toluic sir with respect to COH group. Toluic and toluidine with respect to NH2 group. Now beta if we have a two NH2 group on ortho position to each other, so orthophenyl diamine or we call benzene 1,2-diamine. It's a N dimethyl. So 2 times N dimethyl and then beta we have aniline. Correct everyone? This is still 41, now 42. So beta this group क्या? ये group क्या था initially? You remember it's a benzyl. So it's a benzyl and amine. Correct everyone? Sometimes we called. देखो 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 देखो. Look at it here. Guys, this is a one carbon chain. So one per phenyl. So one phenyl and one carbon methane and amine. So one phenyl methane amine. Correct. In the similar way, you remember we have beta phenyl propionaldehyde or propionic acid. In the similar way, we are getting beta phenyl ethylamine. Sir, we need to learn. Yes. At least I'm mentioning some important one. I'm mentioning some important one. Which one? Like 17, 22, 23, 27. Okay, here anisole. These are important one. Oil of mirben is also important. Correct. And then beta we have TNT is important. Picric acid is important. At least you remember this one. Aniline is also important because these are the journal used in your daily life. Toluidine भी use किया जाएगा. Toluidine is also important. Correct. Now we are moving towards the aromatic amides. So it's a benzamide or we call benzene carboxamide. Acetoanilide, that is also important students. And it will use number of times and you are getting confused what is acetoanilide. Aceta means COCH3 group with the aniline part you can say. Correct everyone. Correct everyone. So acetoanilide. We are getting acetoanilide. Correct students. You must remember acetoanilide. Acetoanilide, that is N-phenyl ethylamide. So N-phenyl, N per phenyl, N-phenyl ethylamide. Okay, students, because we have CONH2, that is amide group. Now anhydride beta. This is an anhydride. So phenyl है यहाँ पर भी phenyl है. अरे डरना क्या है? You break the molecule को break करो. याद है? You break the molecule, add H and OH. It's a benzoic acid. So what you may write? Benzoic anhydride. Or sometimes we call benzene carboxylic anhydride. Now beta 47. 47 is what beta? You may give the name according to your choice. How? Correct beta. Yes. So look at it one time, students. Look at it the previous one once more. Look at it that part, students. Okay, everyone, this is the benzamide, this is the acetanilide. So you must remember, students. Correct. Now we will move to the next one. Next beta देखो 47. What we हाँ बच्चों, so this is the oil of wintergreen. Now you will face here. I'm saying कि oil of wintergreen is somewhere else. So this is the oil of wintergreen. We called methyl salicylate and we called methyl. देखो बेटा कुछ ऐसा लिखेंगे इसको 1 and 2. So beta their name is what? Methyl 2 hydroxy benzene carboxylate. Benzene carboxylate. Why we called carboxylate beta? We are COOR. This COO and this is the R. So this is the what beta? This is what my dear ester. And you remember first we give the name of this one. That's why we write methyl. That's we write methyl. Then beta we give this particular group name. So इस पर क्या आ रहा है 2 hydroxy and benzene and then carboxylate. This is also very important. Oil of wintergreen is a different oil of. ठीक है बच्चों. Now we are looking towards the next one. 49. 49 is what beta? N triple bond N HSO4 minus. We remember whenever you have this group, only this group, beta it's a diazonium salt. This is a diazonium salt. So benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. So beta this group green colored highlighted is a benzene diazonium. And whatever, if it is chloride, so chloride. It is hydrogen sulfate, like that. Second one, this one. So it's a benzene diazonium, same, and then chloride. Similarly, sulfate, chlorate, whatever you may write the anion, it's depend on you. And better last one, but not the least, you can say benzene and double bond and benzene ring. We called azobenzene. Is आपको learn करने पड़ेंगे. You have to learn doctors. Otherwise, there will be no option for us. Correct, everyone? Now we are moving towards some question portion. Let's say write the IUPAC name of this compound. So you follow the rules. What will be the rule? Select the parent chain. Parent chain में choose करने के लिए first we choose functional group. So this is a functional group. So what will be the parent chain here? So parent chain will be 1, 2, 3. ऐसी तो होगी. Correct. Now beta give the numbering 1, 2, 3. So beta 3 phenyl, 2 methyl. So I think M will come first, P will come later. So it's a 2 methyl, 3 phenyl and beta propanol. So guys, if you are thinking we are going to discuss some new topics, it's not new. It's just contain a benzene ring. That's it. We follow the same rules as we are follow earlier. Like that, look at this one. So this group is what beta? You remember ROR. That is the same thing. अरे ये भी तो same ही है. And we remember first we write smaller group, then we write larger group, and we write alkyl alkane. You remember? एल्काइल एल्केन, कुछ ऐसा ही तो कर रहे थे। अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यहाँ पर अपन बेंजीन रिंग को पेरेंट चेन नहीं चूज कर सकते हैं। आइदर वी चूज क्लोज चेन, आइदर वी चूज ओपन चेन, बी रिमेंबर, either we choose closed chain, either we choose open chain, correct? So our parent chain is this one, only one carbon. So this is what beta, this is methoxy, methoxy alkoxy alkane, na alkoxy alkane, smaller, let's say R dash is smaller, so R dash is alkoxy alkane, so it's a methoxy. Then one position for phenyl hai, so we may write one phenyl also, it's your choice. So one phenyl methane, one phenyl methane. If one is not mentioned in any question, be remember, you can understand yourself, it will be a one, always be a one, correct? Now we will move towards the next one, the common name देखो बेटा इसका benzyl methyl ether, benzyl methyl, and we have ether. Similarly you can do the second question also in the same way, correct everyone? आपको स्ट्रक्चर लिखना है जैसे टू पैरा नाइट्रो एनिलीन, so aniline is a main compound, aniline is the main compound with respect to ortho, meta, para, so para nitro and then aniline you can write, correct everyone? So now we can move towards some common name, now we can move towards some common name. देखो common name में आपको सभी याद नहीं करने हैं, you need not to learn each and every name, it's a very tough for you also. So I'm just selecting some important one and you can remember only that one, and that will be sufficient for your 11th class, for your 12th class, for your NEET exam, for your IP exam, for every exam it will be sufficient for you, correct everyone? So I just noted that the highlighted that the important one, and you can write down in your PDF or you can write down somewhere else, and after when you are writing you will mark that this one is the important one and we need to write only this one, other one you can escape them, it's your choice, correct students? So look at it, the first one we called ethylene dibromide, 1,2-dibromoethane, correct? It's a ethylene bromide, propergyl alcohol, yes, that is the important one, propergyl alcohol. And if you remember guys, we have already done this part, propergyl alcohol. We called propylene glycol, you must remember, ठीक है? We have trimethyl glycol, that is also you may remember, it's your choice. I'm writing only the important one, I'm writing only the important one, you may write only the important one, okay? Now we are moving towards the sixth one. Sixth one is also important, students. Their name is glycerol or glycerin, and their name is propane 1,2,3-triol, and their compound name is CH2OH, CH2OH, and then we have CH2OH. Correct everyone? Correct everyone? CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. In between we have CHOH because carbon valency is 4, carbon making a 4 bonds. So this is also important. Seventh one is also important, students. We have already done formaldehyde, if you remember. अपन ने पहले ही कर लिया है formaldehyde को. We have already done the formaldehyde. After that we have acetaldehyde, that is also important. Acetaldehyde is also important. I will do one thing that is important. Correct. Then we have N-butyl aldehyde. This is not so important. Isobutyl aldehyde, that is not so important. Acrolein is important. Acrolein is what beta? Propanol. 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 So we may write 1, 2, 3. So prop 2 in आना चाहिए, वैसे तो देखो ऐसा आना चाहिए, prop 2 in al. Correct. This is the appropriate name. Similarly, croton aldehyde, that is also important, students. Croton aldehyde. We called the 1, 2, 3, 4. So what can you give the names are? But2-enal. Why we called al beta? L for aldehyde. I think now you are able to know. Now beta, this acetone is also important. This acetone is also important, students. So you must remember this acetone. Then we have ethyl methyl ketone and like many more substances we have. Now we are moving towards this one, formic acid. This is also important. Acetic acid. This is also important. Guys, this formic acid, acetic acid, acrolein, we are using in our daily life. Acrolein, glycerol. Daily life बोले तो chemistry की daily life में we are using formic acid number of times. We are not using methanoic acid. We remember we are using formic acid. We are not using ethanoic acid. We are using acetic acid. Correct. Similarly, we have butyric acid, valeric acid. You may remember it's your choice. Butyric for V for butanoic, valeric V for pentanoic acid. In such way you can remember. Correct. The next one is oxalic acid. That is so important. Oxalic acid. And guys, we have already done this trick. If you remember, अपन ये trick पहले कर सकते हैं. O, M, S, Ga. So adipic acid, I think they miss the adipic acid, but you may write adipic acid is also there. There oxalic acid, there is no CH2 unit. There is one, there is two, and there is three CH2 unit. And beta, what about four? Four is adipic acid. If you remember, the trick name is OMSGA. OMSGA. Oxalic, malonic, succinic, butyric, adipic. Correct everyone. So you must remember this trick and you must remember their formulas. अब उसके बाद बात कर लेते हैं लैक्टिक एसिड की. लैक्टिक एसिड इज दिस वन 2 हाइड्रोक्सी प्रोपेनोइक एसिड. योर चॉइस. यू मे रिमेंबर पाइरुविक एसिड. यू मे रिमेंबर इट्स योर चॉइस. Correct everyone. So it's a 1 2 3. So 2 oxopropanoic acid, pyruvic acid, tartaric acid. Yes, you must remember tartaric acid. What is tartaric acid? Tartaric acid is like that. We have COH and we have OH. COH, OH, and here we have COOH. Correct, students? So this is what tartaric acid. This is what, students? Tartaric acid. Are you getting my point, students? Because there is no concept here. I'm very honest. Concept is only the IUPAC nomenclature. Sometimes we are following. Okay, when we give the naming. Okay, students, but their common name, there is no kind of, the new things, students. There is nothing new. Is it clear to everyone? Now we need to remember this one, malic acid and malic. Malic के साथ एक और होता है बेटा, fumaric acid. Look at the malic and fumaric. Both structures are same. The difference is that beta, they have same side. We called cis. देखो ये लिखा हुआ है cis. Cis, and there is a trans form. Trans means opposite. Trans means opposite. So beta, these are the opposite one. Correct, students? So you must remember this is the important one. Malic acid and fumaric acid. Malic acid is a cis form and fumaric acid is a trans form. Very good, Hemant. It's a structural isomers. Oh my God. Now we are moving towards malic acid, 2-hydroxy butane dioic acid. ठीक है बेटा, ये भी आप थोड़ा याद कर लेंगे. Now we have the important one is crotonic acid. You may remember. We have croton aldehyde also. Instead of this, we have CHO group. In the previous pages, beta methyl formate, you must remember. Correct. उसके बाद it's your choice. You may write formamide. Formamide is an important one. Only hydrogen HCO and H2. Acetamide is also important. You may remember. ठीक है, like sulfamic acid is not important. Methyl cyanide ये याद कर लो बेटा. Acetonitrile और methyl cyanide important students. अच्छा, इस बार जेई मेंस में ना ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, like that question. So guys, ऐसे कंपाउंड्स का नाम अपन कैसे देते हैं? We give the, like it's a 6-membered ring. 6-membered. How it is 6-membered? So देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6-membered ring. That's why we write hexane. And beta, we have 1-4 position. 1-4 means if I'm given 1 2 3 4. So 1,4 dioxa cyclohexane. So such kind of question this year asked in the JEE mains. JEE mains. और अगर JEE mains में आ चुका है तो बेटा नीट में आने के चांसेस फुल टू फुल है, फुल टू फुल. Would you send this notes? Shishir beta, I have already sent this note to your WhatsApp group yesterday beta. You can check. No. Okay beta. You can check my dear. Now after that beta, you need to remember Gemexine. This Gemexine, or we call Lindane, we call BHC. BHC is what beta? Benzene hexachloride. Gemexine, if you remember, that is used in I think the plants. Plants में use किया जाता है. Correct students. Then we have barbituric acid and ascorbic acid. Guys, इसके structure important है, so it's better you can remember. What is barbituric acid? Barbituric acid. This is the barbituric acid. Okay. And what will be ascorbic acid? So ascorbic acid formula in front of your structure. You must remember directly. Sometimes they ask how many nitrogen atom present in their barbituric acid. So how many nitrogen students? 2. देखो इसका कोई IUPAC नेम नहीं है. अरे कोई IUPAC नेम नहीं है. There is no IUPAC name because अपन कोई रूल अप्लाई नहीं कर पा रहे ना यहाँ. We are not able to apply the rule. That's why. Correct everyone. So barbituric acid. So I'm telling you guys, now you are masters in IUPAC in a limited number of molecules. If you are thinking कि I'm telling you a hypothetical molecule and you are thinking, sir, I know everyone, every rule, everything. Can I draw? Can I write the name? It's not possible, beta. Like ascorbic acid, there are number of multifunctional groups, so you can't choose parent chain kind of thing. So that's why their common name is more important. That is called ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid का formula देख लो बेटा. So we are getting benzene ring. We have double bond O, single bond OH, OH. Okay, and then we have again OH. This is the OH. So you must remember their names. Correct everyone? So that's it from the IUPAC names of this particular one. You can say what I'm saying. In this one, like aromatic compounds, we have done this part. आपको directly याद करने हैं. Okay, I'm just go through from the first one. So if you noted down something else, so you can note down in your PDF or in some rough notebook. I will just go through it once more time. I'm not revising, I'm just showing you. Okay, now look at it. Look at it fast, students, then we will move towards the next one. Now we are moving towards the next one. Okay, students, now I will move to the next one. If you write something else, or you can take some screenshot of any kind of, if you are thinking, sir, it's not written in my PDF, so you can write yourself also. यस विघ्ना बेटा, आपके नोट्स में है, आपकी शीट में है, बट फिर भी आपको लिखना है बेटा. अगर आप लिखेंगे नहीं विघ्ना बेटा तो आपको याद नहीं होंगी बेटा ये चीजें. आप समझो मेरी बातों को. Try to understand my feelings about these molecules. We need to write. If we are not writing, we are not remember their formulas. That's why. And although I am giving you some relaxation in the in the in the next important compounds, mein, we are given some only important one you can write down. Yes, that is present in your sheet also, a similar one. Correct everyone. You can write down in your sheet also. But guys, you must remember, you must write in your fair notebook. Although it's present, It doesn't mean that if it is present in your sheet, you know very well. When you write something, definitely you learn something. Then beta, no, we have still some remaining portion, a very less portion, that bicyclo compound and spiro compounds. So we will do bicyclo and spiro right now. फिर आपका IUPAC first part complete हो जाएगा. Then the structural isomerism, that is remaining one. Guys, note it down, the important one. That is marked one. 6th, 7th, 8th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 18, 19, 24, 25, 26, 27. Then beta 30, 31, 33, 34, 36, 44, 45, 50. You need to learn only this one. इससे ज्यादा आपको लिखना भी नहीं है. You need to write only the important one in this particular table. This table that I am showing you. Only you need to write the important one only. Correct, everyone? Once tell the number again. Sloka beta, that is in front of you. That is in front of you. You can check here. That is a red colored checked portion. Write down, everyone. What will be the important one? You can write only the important one only. And remember only that one. Pritam is just kind of, I have a, like मेरा मन था कुछ बनाने का तो मैंने बना दिया. Yes, 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 Shriya beta. Only the red marked is the important one, and you need to remember only the red mark. Only red mark. 6th, 7th, 8th. Do more video. यार अभी तो possible नहीं है, but most probably after 1 or 2 years, I will definitely work on this YouTube channel. Write down, everyone. So doctors, today you have a lot of work. What you work, beta? First you go through the PDF. Just remember it, learn it, revise it, whatever you do. After that, when you learn each and everything, after that you can write on your fair notebook. Correct? So that is the biggest work. And then after that, I will give today the sheet work also till the IUPAC nomenclature. So today you have a lot of work and you need to spend more time in chemistry portion, especially in organic chemistry portion today. Correct. Then after that, we will continue with the structural isomerism. फिर अपन structural isomerism को continue करेंगे. This 55, 56 is also important. That is also present. No, it's not present in your sheet. It's not present in your sheet, but it's present on your PDF that I provided you yesterday. Done, everyone? Can we move to the next topic? A very small topic. Okay, generally questions are never asked on the spiro compound and bicyclo compound, but still we are doing because that is present in your sheet. But according to my point of view, there is no need. Okay, I don't have any YouTube channel right now. Done, everyone. Give me a confirmation so that we can move to the next topic. Do one thing. I'm coming within 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, you can take some rest. Okay, I'm coming. Hmm. Now everyone take rest properly. Write down, guys. Make a heading. Make a heading, students. Nomenclature. Nomenclature of bicyclo, bicyclo and spiro compounds. Guys, this is not included in your syllabus, but still we are doing. We are assuming that most probably in future they ask some questions from these bicyclo compounds. Hmm. Hmm. So guys, first try to understand bicyclo compounds. What is bicyclo compounds? We have bicyclo compound. So students, look at it. I marked this one. These two positions, these two positions are called bridge head position. BRIDGE, bridge head, bridge head position, bridge head position. Correct. And better this different color like this one. One, two. I'm talking about this corner, students. Okay. These are the non-bridge head position. Non-bridge head position. Head position. You must remember this particular point. So this is a bridge head position. This is a non-bridge head. This is correct, everyone. So you must remember this one. Now, if I'm writing this molecule like that, is it the same or different? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me? Is it the same or is it the different one? Can anybody tell me? You may write before the aromatic compound also. It's your choice. It's the same idea. Correct. So how can you give the numbering, guys? You choose either bridge head position, either up, above and below. So let's say I'm choosing this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then better this position 7. So what will be the name here? Bicyclo. Bicyclo. Now guys, look at it. Here how many carbon? 2. Here how many carbon? 2. Here how many carbon? 1. So beta here 2, here 2, here 1. So we may follow the same trend. First, look beta, first maximum 1. Maximum is 2, then again 2, then 1. So what 2 to 1. And beta we have total 7. 7 means haptane. We write haptane. Haptane. Are you getting my point? How can we take 2? How can we take 2 students? Are you getting? Are you getting? Are doctors? So 1, 2. That's why we are choosing here 2. Here also we have 1, 2, 2 carbon. That's why we choose 2. And here only we have 1. Okay, can you give the name of this compound, students? चलो इसका नाम बताओ. Let's see how many students will give an answer. Tell me, everyone. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both are same first thing. It's a bicyclo 222 octane. Chalo, you may write one more. You may write one more. Let's say we are writing this one that is present in your sheet. लिखो भैया. So sir, this is a bridge head position. This one. Alright, terminal 1. So it's a 1. So 1. I think we are getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a bicyclo. Then beta we have what we need to write here. Haptane, that is okay. So what we need to write here. Just give me the number. Beta, it's here. Dekho, look at it. Here we have 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have only 1. So beta 4, 1, and we have 0 carbon. Correct, everyone? No, no, no. First we need to take highest. First we need to take highest number. Then the lowest, then the least one. We can't take 140, 014 kind of. We have 410. descending order. Done, everyone? देखो लास्ट में क्या आएगा, लिसन, look at it students. Now I'm writing, देखो, this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's why I'm writing here 4. Correct. Here we have only one carbon, so I'm writing here 1. Here there is no carbon. Here there is no carbon, so I'm writing 0. Simple. Correct. That's very easy. You need to count only the number of carbon. Do one question. Come on, everyone. That is present in your sheet. I'm doing from your sheet also. Chalo, try to find out this one. Now, guys, sir, 1, and we need to priority to a double bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sir, 7. I think answer very clear. Sir, bicyclo. Then, sir, 2, 2, 1, and sir, hapt. Correct, 2. In answer. Correct, everyone. बोलो बच्चों. We give priority to the longer chain. First thing, we remember. अपन को सबसे पहले प्रायोरिटी लोंगर चेन को देनी होगी. Let's say if I'm given you one more question. Now guys, it's a 1. So the larger chain is the 6 membered. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct, everyone? We give priority to the longer chain, longer. And this is the longer chain. Okay, everyone? Now you can give the naming. Naming is bicyclo. Correct. We have 8 methyl na. So it's a substituent. So we may write 8 methyl. 8 methyl. 8 methyl. Then beta bicyclo. Guys, we have 1. Dekho, in the right hand side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, and in the left hand side we have 3 carbon, and then 0 carbon, and then beta we have a no name. Are you getting my points? Very simple one. Sir, first give priority to the longer chain. We are not looking towards CH3 group. And my dear, it's sufficient for you. How it is 430? Oh my God, yaar. And I'm so clear why you are not capable to count this carbon. What is the problem, sir, Mr. in that part? Why you are not count this 4 carbon, beta? And here we clearly mentioned 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon. That's why I'm writing 430. Previous example, same thing. Previous example, same thing. Previous example, same thing. previous example we are doing same thing. We are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we are doing the same thing. Still you are saying how? I don't know what logic you are applying here. Is there any mistake from my side that you are not able to understand? You need to count only the carbon here. That's it. And Sarmista, you are one of the brilliant students in the MBA batch. If you are going to do such kind of thing, it means you are not focusing on the class. How can you deal this question? This one. At that time, you are not asking me a question. Not a part of a loss यार. Simply saying कि यार इसको अपन को सेंटर बिंदु मानना है and you can count the carbon. That's it. And ascending order में लिख दो. Sorry, descending order में. खत्म. Done everyone. Now we will do some spiro compounds. So write down the B part, spiro compounds. Spiro compounds. लिखो बेटा spiro compounds के बारे में. There is no carbon linked between 1 and 6. Can you please show me, Hemant, where is the one carbon between 1 and 6? Okay, okay. Yes, very correct your answer. So I'm giving you directly the compound name. Let's say if we have this one. So guys, listen carefully. If two rings are joined by quaternary carbon atom at the apex, they are called spiro compounds. Correct. And the number of carbon in each ring is ascending order. Then by name of parent hydrocarbon chain. So beta इसमें अपन just reverse करेंगे. First smaller chain is 3 membered. So we are given name like that. 1, 2, then beta 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. So what will be the name here? Eco name Spiro. Spiro. Now look at here. We have only 2 carbon. So we may write what? 2. Guys, it's just a reverse. Okay, it's just a reverse. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. तो यहाँ पर कितने बेटा 4. It's a 2, 4. So it's a 2, 4. Then we have heptane. Just reverse. Only thing is just reverse the numbering. Here we have descending order. Here we have ascending order. Next example लिखो बेटा. Give numbering where 4 membered or 6 membered ring. Where we need to start numbering 4 membered. Very good. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So give the name. Alright, I will do like wait. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 10 number नहीं आएगा ना. We have already given 4 names. So it's a Spiro. But it's a 3 membered and 5. Yes. 3, 5. No name. Very nice. Very nice students. Arey Sarmista, why are you taken so much serious, beta? I'm assuming that you are not focusing there. Okay? So just chill, beta. I know very well you are a very good student. Okay, I know very well, beta. Okay. I already checked your message, but I ignore so that you can little bit relax. You are not feel kind of tense situation. Correct, beta? So don't worry. I don't know whether you have some kind of problem. I just think कि you are not focusing on my class today. Hmm. Sarmista, do one question from my side. चलो. Now Sarmista will do. चलो Sarmista करो इस क्वेश्चन को. Do it बेटा. Hmm. Good Renuka. Correct. Everyone is correct. Good Sarmista. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I am not getting your point. Hemant beta. Beta we choose. देखो. Listen carefully. What is the concept? Concept is very simple. Either you choose from here, either you choose from here, because this is a parent chain. So you may write one here also. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can choose in such a way also. Yes, yes, sir. Very good. Correct. So it's your choice either from bottom, either from top. You can choose. चलो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन करो. Do it. Sir, obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, substituent कौन सा है? क्लोरो, हाइड्रोक्सी. हाइड्रोक्सी है नहीं, ये तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. फंक्शनल ग्रुप. Yes, yes, Hemant, you can do. Then it's a methyl. So beta 1 chloro, 8 methyl, spiro, and beta here we have 3 carbon, here we have 5 carbon, 3,5 square bracket आएंगे. And then beta we have a 9 carbon, so no name null. और अल की पोजीशन क्या है बेटा? ये तो लिखा ही नहीं. नॉन इन 6 all. Write down everyone. Done everyone? Done everyone? Thank you so much. विधि थैंक यू. यार वो नाइस नहीं थी, ट्रूली बोलूं. नाइस तो जब होता है जब अपने आप अपने फ्लो में पढ़ाओ. वो थोड़ा फ्लो कम था. वो जस्ट टाइम पास के लिए मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई जानबूझकर. So now you are capable of solving question till section I. So your homework, sir, are you a cricket player? Oh my God. नहीं, वो रेजोनेंस की तरफ से मैच हुआ था. ओके, तो रेजोनेंस की तरफ से क्रिकेट मैच हुआ था, तो उसमें मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. रेजोनेंस कोटा में जब था मैं. When I was in Kota ना, so there is a tournament there every year. So I participate in that from like मैं केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से क्रिकेट किया था, प्ले किया था. करेक्ट. I'm not a good player, cricket player, but on average अच्छा हूँ. Averagely मैं अच्छा हूँ. How many boundaries have you scored? I'm very honest, Rishikesh. There is only 1 6 in the match. But the first inning and the second inning, दोनों innings में सिर्फ एक 6 लगा था और वो मैंने ही मारा था. ठीक है. I'm very honest, and that is the match on 20th of March 2019. और वो मैच हम हार गए थे बच्चों. हमें लास्ट के 2 ओवर्स में आई थिंक लास्ट के 2-3 ओवर्स में आई थिंक 12 बॉलों में 20-22 रन चाहिए थे. एंड यार बहुत लाइक मेरे को तो सब मतलब अंडर एस्टिमेट करके बैठे थे कि नवीन से कुछ नहीं होगा. फिर मैं लास्ट में ही गया था और लास्ट में कोशिश तो की थी, एक 6 भी लगाया. 6 लाइक ओनली 1 6 दैट इज हिटेड बाय मी, बट स्टिल वी लॉस्ट द मैच. ठीक है, अपन मैच को हार गए थे. करेक्ट. जनरली बैडमिंटन शिशिर आई लाइक द बैडमिंटन, मुझे खेलना बहुत पसंद है. बैडमिंटन इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट, यू कैन से. क्रिकेट भी है, but we learn from the failures, so even failures are required. Yes sir, Mr. That is the good point. What sir says again? I'm saying sir, do watch football. No, I'm not interested in football. I'm saying there is a tournament. ठीक है, every year there is a tournament. Advay beta, we have a little bit knowledge about basketball. Yes yaar, yes I know Rishikesh. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh Parneet, so यार do one thing Parneet, we will arrange some cricket kind of match. कोई tournament हो तो यार मुझे inform कर देना. I'm in Hyderabad during the offline class, so I can also participate. Yes, it's only for teachers, staff, only faculty, only the faculty. विधि यार अपना हरियाणा का डांस थोड़ा अलग होता है. There is a different dance in Haryana, so I hopefully you don't like my dance. No, I'm not play Free Fire. Is there any PT period in offline class? I don't think there is a kind of playing like period time, like कोई ऐसा time तो नहीं होगा period. Adya beta, you are looking for which branch? Sir, I saw Haryana dance in Delhi. Okay, good Samita. Sir, have you ever seen Lavani? Lavani क्या होता है यार? हेमंत यार आई डोंट नो which branch we are opted यार. It's depend on management. माधापुर में तो कोई पीरियड नहीं होगा. मराठी डांस, अरे नहीं यार विदु यार, इतना सब कुछ नहीं आता है. आप हो यार, आप यू आर ऑल आर टैलेंटेड गाइस, आई नो वेरी वेल. तेलुगु सिनेमास डब्ड में देखते हैं. समिता आई डोंट थिंक कि ये सब कुछ होने वाला है. आई डोंट थिंक. मेरे को मराठी बिल्कुल नहीं आता है. मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, मुझे हिंदी इंग्लिश आता है बस, और तेलुगु के 4 वर्ड आते हैं, दैट्स इट. सर व्हाट इज योर फुल नेम? नवीन दक्ष. सर आप यस ऋषिकेश. नहीं, केमिस्ट्री के अलावा जीवन के सिद्धांत भी आते हैं. आई एम अ गुड मोटिवेटर ऑल्सो. आई थिंक मैं अज्यूम करता हूँ कि मैं एक अच्छा मोटिवेटर हूँ. तो मैं लाइफ की ट्विस्ट को भी बताता रहता हूँ, बच्चों से शेयर करता रहता हूँ. हु इज द फेवरेट एक्टर? ओ माय गॉड. चलो अब तो बहुत सारी बातें होने लगी है. नाउ गाइज यू नीड टू डू वॉक. सही कह रहे हो रेणुका. शेर नो. प्रीतम मैं वहीं आ रहा हूँ. करेक्ट. चलो बच्चों आप सुनो, होमवर्क सुनो. नाउ गाइज एक्सरसाइज 1 में टिल सेक्शन के यू नीड टू सॉल्व. करेक्ट. एक तो आपको ये सॉल्व करना है, प्लस आपको ये पीडीएफ लर्न करना. यू लर्न द पीडीएफ फर्स्टली. आफ्टर लर्न यू मे राइट ऑन योर फेयर नोटबुक, क्लास नोटबुक. ओके, राइट ऑन क्लास नोटबुक. So these 2 work is sufficient for you. And guys, after that, आप DPP, how many DPP you solve? How many DPP you solve, students? 6 हो गया. एक बार चेक करना बच्चों. 7 and 8 DPP, 7th and 8th DPP, you are able to solve or not? Is it included in your syllabus or not? Check it. The DPP number 7, 8 till 8. So next time when we will meet, we have a question paper discussion. Then we will continue our teaching, and then after that I will take your doubts from this section. Okay, and on Monday, on Tuesday onward, I will give you exercise 2 completely. So आप DPP को solve कर लेंगे. Most probably it will include in your syllabus 6, 7 DPP, and 8th also you can check. If it is out of the syllabus, you can skip the questions. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now you can ask me any question regarding the chemistry only. Yes, Meghna beta, it's very important for us here. You know, what I learn from the society, what I learn from my institutes, I definitely share with you with the passage of time. Sir, is the class done? According to my, now it's a class done. Now it's only a doubt session. So those students who have a doubt, you can ask me. Those students who really want to leave the class, you can leave also. It's your choice, like. But my suggestion, you can stay there with us. Sir, आपको क्या बोल रहे हैं? आपके बच्चे हैं? अरे यार मेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई है। क्या ऋषिकेश कुछ भी बोल रहा है? पहला स्टेप होता है शादी हुई कि नहीं, डायरेक्ट बच्चा पूछ रहा है। फैबुलस। सब बच्चे तेज तेज, ये डॉक्टर्स ना बहुत क्लेवर होते हैं। डॉक्टर्स आर सो मच क्लेवर, आई नो, एंड योर क्लास इज फैबुलस इन चैटिंग. योर क्लास हैविंग ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1. Advay beta, it's not confirmed right from my side. Doctors are so clever, na? Okay, DPP 5. एक मिनट रुको बेटा. DPP 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाँ बेटा, श्री विघ्न करेक्ट, यू आर करेक्ट. DPP 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अनुष्का बेटा, you are saying in the given structure how many isopropyl group are present in a substituent. This is the question. नहीं यार, मैं मेडिकल का स्टूडेंट नहीं था, मैं नॉन मेडिकल का स्टूडेंट था. Hasan beta, basically you need to remember in such a way. Look at it. Look at it. So this is the Brizard position. Just count this number. So 1 carbon here, 1 carbon here. So beta 2 carbon. Here only 1 carbon, so you may write 1 carbon. Here may 2 carbon, so you may write 2 carbon. And now you can arrange them. Okay. Okay beta, along the bridge head, you can count the carbon. Now you can apply the trick in the questions. Questions पर apply करो ये trick. Look at the DPP 5. DPP 5 question number 5 and question number 3 also. 3 is beta how many isopropyl group? Actually this is a chain. So first you need to choose the parent chain. Parent chain choose करना है तो एक terminal ले लेते हैं. 1. This is the parent chain. Longest carbon chain we need to choose. So it's a 1 2. It's a 1 2. So you can choose either one. So how many isopropyl group? This is 1. This is 2. So only 2 isopropyl group is there. Correct. Now the question number 5. In which of the following neopentyl? Beta neopentyl होती है. This is neopentyl group. Carbon is like tertiary one, you can say. So it's a neopentyl and they are saying bromide, so you may write bromide. Beta कुछ ऐसा होगा like that CH2, this one. So this is the neopentyl group. Correct. Next one. DPP 5 question number 14. Which one is allyl chloride? So beta the fourth option is the allyl chloride. Correct everyone. So we are getting, this is a allyl group. If I'm writing OH, so allylic alcohol. If I'm writing chloride, so allylic chloride. So you may write 14 question, 15 question which is not vinylic. Vinylic means doubly bonded se directly attached. So A is also, B is also, and D is also. Only the third one, that is chlorobenzene. That is not a vinylic position. Correct, beta? Yes, Rishikesh, most probably. DPP 4 question number 7. Question number 7 देखो बेटा. What is the correct IUPAC name? So you can elaborate the question. Like C, we are getting C2H5 now. So C2H5 four times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 4 times C2H5. Now you can use the parent chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 diethyl pentane. Correct. DPP 6 question number 7. बेटा इस बार कोटा से आएगा पेपर. DPP 6 question number 7. DPP 6 DPP 6 question number 7. Which of the following have two hydrogen atom are present? So when you check students, the C option is the correct one because the carbon already formed hydrogen. Two type of hydrogen they are saying. Two type means we have first type this one. So all hydrogen are same. Correct. And what about the second type? Little second type. This is CS3 group. So this is the second type. They are not saying two hydrogen. They are saying type. So these are the one type of red color and one of correct everyone. If I'm looking for first question, first part, so it's only one type. Second have only one type, and fourth only one type. So the third option having two type, the rest one have only one type. Full IUPAC, these are ready. I'm telling you, you go through the limited number of molecules, and you are capable to solve limited number of questions. Correct, everyone. Rishikesh, sir, I think it's a 9 to 6. I think. No, Shishir. DPP 6 question number 9. Shishir, your question are so interesting. What is the degree DU? Sankalp, when you face such type of question now, it's better you can how many rings beta? There are 3 rings, correct? How many pi bonds? So you can count the pi bonds beta, 6 pi bonds. So 3 rings and 6 pi bonds. The total answer is 9. So total answer is 9. Correct. Question number 14 too. 14 beta, they are saying estrone is a human iron hormone. How many sp2 hybridized? Sp2 hybridized means they have this kind of this one. So all the 6 carbon are sp2 hybridized. So only the 6 one and the carbonyl one. Carbonyl. So 6 this one and 1 this one. The total one is 7. Yes, I am DPP 6 का ही तो आंसर दिया ये. DPP 6 लो का बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. DPP 6 question number 10. How many secondary carbon? Here you can count them यार. यार ये क्वेश्चन तो आपको खुद कर लेना चाहिए. I'm assuming at least you are capable to solve such questions. देखो बेटा, ग्रीन कलर से मैं लिख रहा हूँ 1 डिग्री. 1 डिग्री टर्मिनल, ओनली टर्मिनल. ओके. देन बेटा येलो से लिख रहा हूँ 2 डिग्री. तो 2 डिग्री, 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 2 डिग्री. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can count your answer in front of you. Correct. DPP 6 question number 13. How many tertiary hydrogen? Can you once count? Okay, wait for a while here. Now you may write. You are saying 1 degree now, beta. 3 degrees, sorry. So first we identify that 3 degree. 3 degrees, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you 6 and 1 is 7. So 7, 3 degree, so 7 hydrogen. That's it. यार बस पूछो मत ऋषिकेश यार, बहुत ट्रबल है, बहुत ट्रबल है. So how can I identify? Beta, Sloka, we need to identify by writing their structure name. Write down the structure of 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down the structure. And after that, you can try to yourself, how can you give the naming? Then you will realize that which one is correct and which one is wrong. Do it. I'm giving you one example. Let's say it's a 2,3 dimethylhexane. So it's a 2-methyl. Are you listening, Miss Loka? Are Sloka? देखो, it's a 2,3 dimethylhexane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. And they are saying 2,3 diethyl. 2,3 diethyl. Ethyl. Now, if you know very well, this is the naming according to question. Now I am put my IQ level. So beta, this is a parent chain here. And beta parent chain, look at the parent chain numbering. There is numbering like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the correct naming. This 2,3 dimethyl is a wrong numbering. Now you realize that this question having first part is the wrong answer. Similarly for third and fourth. Correct. Nearby Rishikesh. नहीं नहीं नहीं. Is there any other problem, students? If you don't have any doubt, you can leave also. It's your choice. And if you have a doubt, you can ask me. Yes, Rishikesh. Okay, beta, take care. Okay, okay, beta. Guys, those students are sitting empty. Please open your PDF and try to learn the things. And after that, you may write, and then exercise 1 till section K you can solve. नहीं नहीं नहीं. नहीं बेटा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Vinylic chloride only first, second, and the fourth one I think. Third option is beta chlorobenzene. Okay. Rishikesh, if you have a doubt here, it's better you can discuss the doubt rather than these things, this kind of things. Please. Yes, Manisha. Okay, Gana beta. Okay, students, so that's it from today. We will meet tomorrow.